Welcome to Kids World.
Come along, kids, let's zoom and fly on land and sea and in the sky. Wheels go round on roads so wide, cars and buses we ride with pride. Choo-choo train goes on the track, through hills and tunnels front to back. High up in the sky so blue, airplanes fly past clouds we view. Helicopters spin and fly so neat, balloons rise slow in sky so sweet. Sail the rivers, oceans deep, on boats and ships that gently sweep. Canoes glide slow, submarines dive low, under the sea where cool things grow. Now it's your turn, showing you know, land, air, or water, ready, go. Travel the world, so much to explore, with every ride you'll learn much more.
Hi kids, hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos.